What's up guys, Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get the piercings filter on TikTok. Okay, so once you're on the TikTok camera, and you can go to the TikTok camera from any page on TikTok by tapping the plus icon there at the bottom in the center. Once the TikTok camera loads up, you can see it says at the bottom left hand corner effects. If I tap on effects, for me in the top row you can see that person with the mouth and the two piercings above it, the fourth option in the first row. If I go ahead and tap on that, you can see that I now have a piercing, and you can tap the screen to change the piercing. So if I tap the screen, I'm going to get a nose ring and then another one. And you can just tap and tap until you get the one that you want, and then you can go ahead and record your video by tapping the record button. So another way that you can get the piercings filter is, if you're not finding it from within this effects page, I have left a link in the description of this video. It's this link right here. If you go ahead and tap on that link from your mobile phone on this video in the description, and then open that up, it's going to open up TikTok. And then it's going to take you directly to the piercings filter page. You can add it to your favorites to get access to it later easily, or you can go ahead and tap the camera button at the bottom. So once you have selected the piercing that you want, you can just go ahead and record your video. Something like that, or anything that you would like to do. And then you can go ahead and press on the tick mark. Tap on next at the bottom once you've added all your sounds, your text and everything like that. Tap on next at the bottom right. And then you can go ahead and go through the posting process, and then you can go ahead and post that video. So that is how you get the piercings filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more TikTok filters. Take care.